everyone, it's Jean from Sew It Themes. This is just going to be a little quick flip through on this little envelope journal I just made. It was so much fun putting one together. I've never made an envelope one before, and this was just really went together pretty fast. It has a little tie closure, and the front of it, and I don't know where I got this graphic. I love it. It's so beautiful. It's like a vintage photograph. I don't know where I got it, but it's one of my favorite ones that I have. And inside, now this is made with 5 different envelopes. And the first couple pages here, I have like a flip, or tuck spot, excuse me, a tuck spot over here. I'll list down below some of the Digis, but a lot of this actually just was out of my stash that I just have left over from other projects. So I'll try to, this is from Christie Art, this particular one here. I believe this one is too. I'll have to look that up. Here's a little pocket with some, this is some vintage lace. Actually, it's like crocheted. It's really lovely. And I got that in an antique shop. I have a little envelope in here with a whole bunch of little fun things that can be used to decorate the journal further. So I have a little collection of stuff tucked away in here. The paper that I've used here is an older paper from Graphic 45 called Portrait of a Lady. And that's, I had that in my stash. I wanted to use it up. This, I believe, is from the Queen of Mirth, but I should have looked it up before I did this. I'm so sorry. I will list below where I got the digitals. So inside this pocket, so this is one envelope, it's the second envelope, and there is, the second one is a pocket, and I put in a journal with, I think about 8 pages in here. And this is made from craft paper, which is nice and firm and sturdy, and these envelopes are craft envelopes as well. And I really like the way they hold up, and they're so easy to tuck things in and out of. And this is actually, more things could be tucked into here. Here is a belly band, and this is an Artie Mace belly band. This is not a real button, but it kind of looks this way. It's a photograph of a button that I've cut out with a little bit of lace there. And a little journaling card in here. And then I put in 2 more that you could either take out of the sleeve, or you can, journal in this with it right in here. But both of these lift out of that little pocket area, and they can sit in just like this. And this is the Graphic 45 part of their paper in there too. And then the last 2 pages has another tuck spot here. Just these images are just beautiful. And it has a couple of journaling cards in here too. And over here is a pocket at the very end of it. Right in there. And then that is the little journal. So there is room in here for, more journaling and for decorating. You'll want to maybe decorate these empty spaces or whatever. Put a photograph in there. Would be really great for holding some photographs. I think that what I'm going to be doing with this is I'm going to be doing this as a giveaway. When I reach my 200 subscribers, I believe I'm going to do a giveaway on this really cute little envelope journal. It was so fun. This is a little vintage button as well. You can see how old that looks. That's pretty cool. So anyways, thanks a lot for viewing. I know this was a quick and fast one, and I probably shouldn't have been spending time making this because I have these other journals that I need to get done, especially the baby book for my daughter. But I don't know. I just needed a break, I guess, from the other 2. So thanks a lot, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and viewing, and I'll be back with my sewing book and my baby book journal as I do ephemera for that too. So thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you later. Bye!